Selamun Aleyküm ve Rahmetullah Berekatuhu. Welcome to OZER Projects YouTube Real Estate channel. I am Hakan OZER. Today I am in Kocaeli at Yuvacık region and I would like to introduce beautiful and unique plot which is suitable for luxury construction projects for you today. What we have as a specification for this beautiful plot, we have 14,000 square meters land size and which is including 30% construction rate from ground for 4.5 floors. I'm repeating again, we have 14,000 square meters land size which is allowed for 30% construction rate. And I want to make extra explanation about the construction rate. As I mentioned before, we have 30% construction rate from ground. It allows to build 4.5 floors. It means, in short, you're able to build around 23,000 square meters. 23,000 square meters building construction on these plots. And as you see already from the drone shots, size of the land is almost equal square, something like that, yeah, in this shape. And when we look at the around us, this is new face of the city, and we are so close to the city center of Kocaeli. It is just 10 minutes far away from here, and as you see on the video, all around us, surrounded by beautiful green nature of Kocaeli. And one of the most important thing about the property, about the land is, of course, it's directly in front of us. We are looking for directly beautiful blue Marmara Sea. And right over here, there are green big mountains. And for the electricity and water, there is no any problem for this, and there is natural gas is available in the region. If you are looking for an investment for buying sell, this plot is also so suitable for that kind of trade. But main issue for these plots is construction. If you are planning to make luxury villas project or luxury apartment projects, this plot can be very suitable choice for you. For further information on catching this opportunity in Kocaeli at Yuvacık region, you can directly contact with me. My name is Hakan OZER. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090-532-207-8634. I'm repeating my number again, 0090-532-207-8634. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like my videos. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel yet, please smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and fi aman Allah.